Guys, my name is Charles Kings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get
a free $50 account.
funded account that you can get and use to start trading in 2025 without you having to deposit any money. No deposit needed at all. Alright, so I'll be showing you how you can get it, where to get it, and how to start trading from it, and also the terms and conditions you have to apply in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit, and all you have to do is to watch this video to the very end and make sure that you go through the step-by-step processes that I will lead you and guide you through in this video. So without wasting too much of our time, let's dive into what we have here for today. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you click on the subscription button right now. And as you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. Here we usually drop money making updates and free profit account and free funded accounts that you can start to use to trade your account for free in 2025. So if you know that you are interested in making money online in 2025 and you are sure about it, all you have to do is to come and stay tuned here. The link to come to this place will be in the description of this video and also will be pinned in the comment section. So all you have to do is to click on the link, and once you click on the link, you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel, and all you have to do is to join. And once you join, you'll find a link like this there. So once you find the link, all you have to do is to click on the link, and it will take you back to where you are going to be getting the free $10,000 account. All right, so now once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this interface. The next thing for you to do is for you to fill in your live account registration, which include your email again, and your mobile number, your password. Enter your password again, your full name, and the necessary details that you're supposed to fill in. All right, so once you're done, just click on submit register. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. And also, I figured out that when it comes to account type, you will have to choose something. So make sure you choose a standard account. Don't choose any other account apart from standard account. All right, so choose a standard account and fill in the complete necessary details. So once you're done, it will bring out something like this, which states that public register success. So as you can see, this is it right here. You have been able to create your account. You have been able to register with them. The next thing for you to do is for you to maybe probably go to your email, but it's not that necessary. The next thing for you to do in order for you to get your free $50 account is for you to enter your registered email and your registered password. And once you're done, just click on login. We are good to go. Alright, so let me just do mine and now we get back to you shortly. So as you can see right now, we have been able to log in into our account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to pay full attention. This is where you have to become very serious with it. All right, because this is the interface whereby I'll be showing you how you can get your account. So if you don't watch this video to the very end, or maybe you fast forward this video, I'm afraid you might forfeit your chance of getting this free $50. All right, so let's go together and get it. So as you can see, I just received a message from them, and this is the message I received from them. I've been able to register for them. All right, I've been able to register on their account. So you are going to receive the same email. So the next thing for you to do in order for you to get your $50 account is for you to go back. To the platform. All right, so go back to the platform. As you can see, we are right now in the platform. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line up here. The next thing for us to do is to message their support and request for the bonus. Okay, message their support and request for the bonus. So just click on this three line. Before I forget, you can be able to get this free $50 account without KYC at all, right? Without you verifying your KYC, you can be able to get it. And also, once you get to their live chat and their, which is also known as their customer care, this is it over here. Once you get there, just click on back to chat or click on chat. All right, so just click on chat so that you can talk about the no deposit bonus. So just enter enter your email and your details. You'll be asked to enter your email and your details, all right, so that your $50 account can be credited, into your account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have been able to get yours, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, your family and relative. I hope you enjoy your trade. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys.